right here, I'm doing some leg press, and I did 4 sets of 12, 10, 8, and 6. On into hack squats, and I did a few warm-up sets, and then I went pretty heavy on this. I have no idea what these are called, but I seen Joe Statics do it, I think. And just have your knees way out in front of you. You just squat pretty deep. Here's some RDLs. I don't really do these much, but I was gassed and I only went up to 185, but I think my hamstrings have been lacking a lot, so I need to work them more. I've been trying to end my workouts with a little bit of cardio because I feel like I've been missing that.